Want to know how to use a random class in Java? So finally, let's learn how to use the random class in Java. We create a random object and use methods like nextInt, nextBoolean, and nextDouble to generate random numbers, true or false or decimal values. For example, nextInt 100 plus 1. So right here, under int random number, it gives a random integer between 100 and 1. This is super useful for games, simulations, or any programs that needs unpredictability. So right here you can see our next random number, our next boolean, and next double is given as well. So it ranges from 0.0 to 120. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Randomization is a powerful beginner-friendly tool in Java. Once you get this, you can make dice rollers, lotteries, or even mini games like rock, paper, scissors. Copy, paste, and experiment randomness is fun. So I'm just going to show you how it works. And there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.